Kahoot is something that my students are always asking for in my classroom. It's a great way to review. It's fun. Students can do trivia. It's an icebreaker. So go ahead and type in Kahoot into Google, and then if we click on the top link, we get a screen that looks like this. Alright. Now I already have a Kahoot account, so I'm going to go ahead and click Login in the upper right corner. So this is what my home page looks like for Kahoot. Here I can see all of the Kahoots that I've created. Now, if we go ahead and click on the Discover link at the top of the page, we have some pre-made Kahoots, that have been created and then made public so that anybody can view them. So if we go ahead and just click on one, I'll show you how to assign it. It's very, very simple. All right. So here are the questions that the students will be answering in this Kahoot. This one's about Thanksgiving. So if it all looks good to me, I'm going to hit play. And you have a couple options here. All right. Classic is just that all the students are competing against each other, right? And they all need to have their own separate devices. In team mode, you basically break your class down into teams and they share devices. There's also a bunch of options down here. The friendly nickname generator is good because students can type in whatever they want as their game name when they're playing Kahoot. If you teach high school like I do, they're not always appropriate. But you can randomize questions, you can do answers. If we click here, we'll see more game options. Or sorry, that will hide the game options. Now, I'm going to click on Classic. It's what I usually play in my class. And here it's going to generate a game pin. Right? So students will go to Kahoot.it. On their devices, they'll enter in this pin. Right? The music's always terrible. So I'm just going to get rid of that. But once they enter that pin, they'll be able to enter in their names. You'll see the player names show up here where it says waiting for players. And then once everybody's joined, you start the game. Now, if I leave this and we click on Create, I can show you quickly how to create your own Kahoots if you don't want to use a public one. So create new Kahoot. So we can start off by typing out our first question. So what type of cell has a cell wall? Answer 1, we'll say plant cells. Answer 2, we'll say animal cells. Plant cells is the correct answer, so I'll check that one. You can adjust the time for how long you want this question to appear on the screen. So let's say 20 seconds too long, so let's go 10 seconds. All right. If I had a picture of like a cell wall, I can upload it here, so that would appear on the screen along with the question that's up here. All right. Once you add your questions, like add more and more questions, they simply appear over here, right? So I'd click this button to add another question and continue, right? And then when I'm all done, I'll hit done. All right, I'll title it. Right, I can give a description if I want. Hit continue. All right, and it's ready to be done. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.